Hello everyone. So, today is day 115 of 366 day live challenge where I come live each day, share my journey, what I'm doing, and how my life is going. Okay, and what is this 366 day live challenge is from basically from January to December. I'm coming live each day, sharing my journey and making a documentary of my life. So, as this year has 366 days, so I want to really focus on my personal and my professional life. So before starting this live, let me summarize my day. So today day was a bit more productive and really worked on the app and also the website which I'm working on my company, right? And aside from that, also I did I guess 2 3 lead code problem. And I from the Udacity program, yeah, so I have already completed the phase one of the Udacity. So I have already learned and built some of the uh, project also, like the image classifier. Like I have with the Udacity I learned and I built one model, like a one ML project, where when given the image, the model will say like which plant uh, type is this, like which plant type is this from that picture. And again, like now this course was like all about how this ML and AI can be used in a real company, like a real world problem. Okay, like before we were like I was just learning what are these fundamental things and building projects. But now, as okay, so in the ML AI also, so first of all we should know like which domain which we are using and planning to use machine learning. And we should have the data that like the information like which problem we are trying to solve. Then if we already have the module or not, like we should try to like build a module for the solution. Then there comes to the product phase, development phase, engineering phase, resolve phase, and the deploying phase. For now on this course, like I'm learning from the AWS. So yeah, they are like saying also like they have the AWS how to deploy all those things, and I will be learning, but that is kind of a further part. Okay, and I have already learned the supervised, unsupervised classification regression, but just again kind of a, what is it, like a revised way, right? So like with this with this kit learn, like I uh, got the iris data and just do done some of the basics for like the hate, like seeing that the data is correct or not, and using like the any regression, those kind of things. And yeah, like it was a kind of good. Okay, so I will be doing this actively for some days. Okay, uh on my time, because I have to complete one project on, I guess, in 5 days. 5 days, so I will be actively learning this. And beside from this, so there is, okay, so there is let me just pronounce that name. Okay, I'm a bit confused. Okay, so Penny Lane. Okay, so there is one quantum language, like Python based, but there is one language, Penny Lane, which is used in the quantum machine learning. Okay, like a quantum machine learning. So for the quantum like computing and for the quantum language, uh, as I have already did the summer school and other like 1 year course on the quantum, right? So I have like actively used and explored the Qiskit program. But on this program, like there is the Penny Lane, like which also like does the same thing about which on the quantum computing, but it is more focused on the like the quantum machine learning. Okay, and it is having kind of like this month uh, challenge where I need to complete those beginner and novice challenges, and from there I can get the limited badge for the quantum machine learning also. And yeah, like the badge is not the main thing, but when you have some deadline that you really want to meet, right? And I think if you like I think some of the tasks are like if you give that task like 1 month, then that task will be finished in 1 month. And if you give just like a 5 days or 6 days for that task, although that task is not finished 100%, but I'm guaranteed that task will be finished like 60 to 70%. Okay, that is a very difference. Okay, so doing for whole month and just on a short span you can just complete that like 60-70% and also work on that. So I go with that model. Okay, like although like I have a time, but I try to learn many things also and explore myself, right? So I try to do that model. And besides from that, so on this live, like basically like yesterday I told you, so I'm doing live for just half an hour daily because I have other things to learn and other things to worry about, and I have to do one assignment also after this live. Okay, so that was a pretty much day, like learning new things, working, doing the coding in the office, and yeah, pretty much a day was good, in fact. And there's just one thing, like as I'm documenting myself, right? So just one thing, your friend can be a, so there is one friend, like he can be your uh, very close friend from the childhood, but as the life goes on, right? So if your and his destination are a bit different, then you should have the got to sacrifice that friend also. Like I'm not saying just leave your friend, but I'm saying like if the goal is not uh, same, and if you I like feeling like there is kind of a friction from your dream. Okay, so if he's like uh, pulling you from that dream of yours, then yeah, you should cut off those things also. Yeah, like it is kind of a hard and not good way to say, but yeah, I learned that also. Like I was also like not barely in this kind of thing and used to think like friendship is always, but yeah, there are like some friends who are like for the life. But you should always first try to is your development, like your personal growth, what you want to achieve in this life and your family. This I want to say. And yeah, okay, let me just go through. Okay, so the you can guys also check, like there is mlflow.org. Okay, so like a machine learning flow, like on a companies, how the machine learning really works. Okay, like we can see like oh, there is the one AI. So like there is like a simple supervised or unsupervised kind of a model is being used there. And so it does certain things, but in a real company, right? So how to start, like how, like if a company says like okay, let's work on the AI or ML, then why, like how to start, like what are the processes, like where to start from where, and what are the like the step for that life cycle of the ML, right? So mlflow.org is kind of a I'm reading now the documentation also, and from now, like I'm feeling like it is pretty good. And if you guys also can go and check it out if you like to learn, I will be learning the other ways. So, mm, creating our data set. Okay, in order to produce some meaningful data and a model for use to log to ML, we need to create a set pandas numpy and function which takes the data and row generate a systematic dataset for predicting Apple sales demand with seasonality and inflation. This function creates a pandas data frame with features relevant to Apple's. So first we like randomly seed the dataset, and From that data we like create a data range, okay, and we are just looping and taking the records, and with the standard data frame, like we are generating one data frame, so that will have a date, average temperature, rainfall, weekend, uh, and introduce inflation over time years. So on the data frame we are having one column as a inflation multiplier, and on that we are just adding one with the current date. Oh no, like from the data date range, right? From that date range we are like having like 0.03, okay. So it is kind of a inflation. So I don't know like which country said this documentation is following, but yeah, okay. So we need to modify as the data frame and promo code to yeah, on np.where pick and generating target variable based on features, okay. As the features we are like, so we have already set the data frame, right? So we can just add that on which column we want to be applied, right? So okay, np dot random dot normal, yeah, logging out. Just you bro, hello. Homik Singla, hello bro, how you doing brothers? How was your day? Good bro. uh so what did you learn today bro? Like, guys, are you like working on your personal project also? Mm. And one thing I like on okay, like, uh, people can give me any laptop, okay, like I can have like any laptop, but if like that laptop has kind of a 8 GB RAM and its own graphic or 6 GB RAM also, then I will just make it slow, okay, because I open so many tab, okay. Like this laptop was like from past some days was working very smooth, very fast, okay, but cause of how many kind of tab I opened and switch between and learn, yeah, right. Like I will make any computer or laptop slow, bro. That's the power I have. No, I'm lazy. Go office को काम नहीं राम्ररी गरेको छैन. Yeah, like bro, yeah, like some days are like that also, like, and we can't uh, change it, but yeah, like just try to see like what are the areas that are like kind of making like off balance. And I like really believe in uh flow state, okay, like the flow state, because I also like go sometime like on a deep level flow state. And yeah, and when you are on the flow state, right, so like a small things like which is not cop with your kind of environment can also like really distract, so try to uh, be all aware with that. Take Johnny's laptop. Bro, Johnny, like yesterday, so yesterday you guys tell about something, right? So this kind of joke, yeah. So Amit, then just like, have you done any like AI ML projects? Austin, how are you? Mhm. Yeah, and I will also get ready. Like I will take out the question paper, okay? Like the assignment that I will be doing after this live. So let me just pull that assignments from I guess on the mail I have, okay? Um, I have done April 6 packs here, okay? Uh, it was self-driving car and no more data detection, okay, bro? That's cool, bro. We were not even aware of engineering back then. Yeah, but do you guys know like from my childhood? Okay, so like if I remember, if like I was in class one or two, I'm not sure. Okay, but like from small age, like my dream was to become a scientist. Okay, and so on the like a Nepal, like on our language subject, so there is one question, right? So what you want to become in your future, like kind of that question, right? And you used to write, always write like I want to grow up and become a scientist. I want to make robots that can really help the humans like that kind of answer. And also like the time machine, okay? So I have like guys told you or not, so my kind of a life mission is to make time machine, okay? And for that also like I'm so much interested in the quantum computing, quantum mechanics, right? So cause of that, um yeah, like and then I slowly started, and I guess on the 5 6 class, I guess I really wanted to become a like I really wanted to learn like study mechanical engineering, because one of my teachers said like a time machine can build if you study mechanical, okay? And from that I have kind of a interest on this whole things. uh, I have learned computer vision, ML, and deep learning when there was not much jobs in USA. Okay, so switch to AI to ask FST. Hola, brother. Hello, deep bro. Still, I used to hack Wi-Fi using Android number 6 year back ago, making videos on how to check bias pass. Back in 6 year, I guess I was just studying quantum mechanics, I guess. And no, like I was like superly like for the full day, like for a straight week also, like I used to learn about the space and the things, and I love to read books of the science fictions. I saw your LinkedIn and Oliman, you are so you are saying to me, bro, 1631 now you are not even old on me because you still have done a lot of things. Yeah, sure. And I guess you can also like not right now, like I'm not saying, but just a suggestion, like if you want to start a career in AI or AI or ML also, like you have like experience on that, right? So yeah, that it will be just a swift transition if things goes that route. Yeah, you so where did you got your LinkedIn, but yeah, no bro, but thanks, but still need to do a lot, bro. So I just got one mail, okay. So okay, the NASA is again organizing the asteroid search campaign. Okay, so yeah, I guess a year or 2 year ago, like I participated in one NASA's like asteroid search camp. Okay, so where we will find asteroid, like we have the data area, right? And we have one software also that was given by the bank star kind of association from like international. And me and my friend, like our team, uh s- have one asteroid on the space, and that asteroid, uh, we have given the name. Okay, like that is kind of we did. And that program is again coming up during our BTEC time. We have hardly were able to make difference in CS and IT. Okay. I wrote my first blog today. I didn't say blog. It was like kind of a tutorial body. Yeah, bro, that's really good, bro. Like just writing your knowledge for like all others people to get information, and also like it really clears like your thought process and your understanding of your certain things. Also, that's really good. Yeah, just share it, bro. Like yeah, so you are the moderator, right? So you can share the link, I guess. Mm, mm, Amit, bro, I guess you can't share the link here. I think. Uh, in, okay, let me search you. Okay, if I got you, then I can share. Okay. Mm, sure, bro. Mm, okay. Grudge testing is social skill. Oh, bro, nah, like I'm just reading is like a medium uh post. But okay, so let me see. Okay, let me search then. Okay, Um, okay, so let me use my ocean skill. But I don't have. But yeah, let me try. Hmm, have you ever tapped a button on your phone? This is right. Okay. Sponsor example. Bro, it's really good, bro. And like how you are like saying those things, okay? Like connecting with the viewers, and also those images of your screenshot is kind of very good, okay? Because that really helps, like what you are talking about, right? Yeah, bro. Let me give you a follow, okay? Let me sign in. Bro, do you work at the ID's software company? Like, nah, like I think is, but mm, and guys, okay, so I will be just spending like doing live for 30 to 35 minutes for some time. So yesterday I told you, right, guys? So because of some things, I'm not making time. So after this live, I'm just going only 5 days left. Yeah, so I need to do that assignment, and also like I'm doing a penny lane. Okay, so there is one penny lane. This is used for the quantum machine learning, and I'm learning, and I'm also like competing their challenges on that, and that is only for this month. Okay, so I have to complete those challenges within like 5 days, and also like some other things to learn, and also do research. Working on UX design and doing photography. Mm, okay, let me search it this way. I think I will just So we were searching his name, right, Amit, on the LinkedIn. So like Justin bro said like of my ocean skill to use, but I'm not able to find again. I will search you and I will just in this live, okay? You won't find he works for FA. Okay, but like he said he is going to give. I can find please share your username. Oh, so you are going to. Okay, so mine is like Biraz Karki. So if you just search on the Google also, just on the Google, if you write just Biraz Karki, I guess you will find my LinkedIn on the top. OSINT. Oh, what is OSINT? So just in a simple way, we can say like to get the information before starting any kind of attack, or like just knowing your person more. But I think our Justin Bro is more capable of answering that with a technically worded thing. Okay, I found you GitHub and LinkedIn. Oh sure bro, like yeah, we can follow each other. Sack bro, hi bro. So yeah, like it has been some time, right? We haven't like met in the life. Sack bro, so what are you doing? Like did you complete your project? Mhm. So we can follow on the LinkedIn. Like I don't use other social medias like the Instagram or the Facebook. Like yeah, like I use Facebook for the my group of my college. Okay, so there is one student group. So for that I use sometime, but I like to use LinkedIn more than others. 96 repo OMG. You are saying to me, bro, that are my just public. No, my total are 157. Reckon, no. Yeah, but there are some of my private and of my office also. Like I have made private, I guess, bunch of those. Secret. What secret? Keep myself secret. Yeah. Yes, bro. My mother gave me some potion and I refused to stream it. I guess it. Uh, I'm sorry, bro. I'm not able to follow you like sec. So I completed other shit. Okay. I was now, bro. Uh, we are all just learning. Okay, bro. Uh, and yeah, like just a one quick update. Okay, so yesterday I told you guys. Okay, so not right now, but I'm kind of researching on one kind of a product. Okay, so already have a kind of a knowledge in the SEO, right? So trying to make one tool. So I all okay. So I used to make SEO report each month, and that was kind of a really hectic work, right? So today I went through the Google Console API. So okay, so this was just started some months ago, okay, and from that we can like really extract the data from the Google Search Console, and we can just get the as more like we can represent with the other libraries of the Python like the pandas or the matplot. But the main thing is that should like really help to know that on which keyword, right? Like a search term is getting like more views, so that will like really help on a company side of things to get more marketing also, right? That so yeah, I got that resource, and so I'm going to use that. And also, like, I got another thing from my resources. So in the market, okay, so there is one small SEO tool. So from that we can just get the uh domain authority checkup, spam checkup, broker link checker, technical audit, sitemap checker, schema generator, kind of those things of this sec, right? Like the of this SEO, right? And I used to think like how to make those tools, or like the major competition, like the major more quickly on the market on the SEO spec and the digital marketing spaces of the Href, Semrush, and Href, Semrush, and Moz. And they have their own data, okay, like a database, and from there they got the which domain or the which website has the more kind of a link, and that can really help on the SEO, right? And I used to think like those small, like the small SEO tool website, how he gets those data, right? Like I was really confused, and I did some of the research, and I found that so there is some like the PSP script, okay. So there is already the PSP script on the market, and that are like majorly being sold on the money, like a paid. And from that just they import those script, and they make some UI and just do those things. And I'm trying to do that same thing on the Python, I guess. So I will be using Django. So I will be doing this project on the Django, and I think first of all I will just do full project on the Django, okay, like not making APIs but just with the Django template. And then like a kind of a small thing, okay, just to validate my idea and like what I'm thinking, right? So is it possible or not? And then I will just make like a whole product. And I'm sure like in the Nepal right now also there are so many companies, like a small companies, they really need this tool, okay. And they are just spending like a 1 to 3 lakh like monthly on a minimum scale, just to maintain a team of the SEO to do the report, to do the auditing. But with this tool, like I can really charge, okay, like money. So that's my main plan. uh so okay, I send you connection. Yeah, yes bro, I have accepted, bro. Poison, bro? What are you saying, bro? Like, oh, okay, so Justin bro said poison, okay. uh I have 3 GitHub account. I have shared 2 in LinkedIn, recently created one where I will be publishing my learnings, okay. So okay, I also have 2 GitHub account, but okay, so there is one reason behind it. Okay, so GitHub student developer pack is there, right? So while back in the high school, without student mail, like with the student ID, I got the GitHub student developer pack, and from there I learned. Okay, and it has already been 2 years, and I don't like 2 year, and I still have the chance to just renew, like saying I'm still studying. But the main thing is if I do that also, then the data cam access, the front end mastery, like the six month access will be just gone, okay. Like I can't get from the start. So I just created new GitHub account, and from there I again applied for the GitHub student developer pack, and I again got it just recently some months ago. And I'm just loving it, bro. Like there is kind of a hack, okay, but don't say to GitHub, okay? It's our secret. My mother gave me like a grass or some vegetable drink. It was horrible. I refused to drink it. Why do like, bro? Are you sick or don't cry, bro? I think it's kind of a some medicine, bro. Try to find mine. Uh, so I already know you, okay? I can share the link also. Uh, Amit, what's number of your classes from school? Oh yeah, like we lol, my battery died. So who are you, bro? So you are deep, right? I really get an energy to learn new things if I see young talented people here, bro. Thanks a lot, and yeah, just who should have this eager to learn always, bro. Bro, you're okay. Let me check your profile. Okay? Senior. Bro, Illinois State, okay? Extensive getting the coding interview. Hmm. Okay. Personal works. Yes, Department of Veteran Affairs contract. So, senior. So you were before like a senior Java developer, bro. Okay. Bro, you work with the Apple too. Uh, why are you talking like you are some old uncle? You are just 31. Yeah, bro, 100%. Big bro, read my text, bro. I always read your text, bro. Still, haha, bro, sauce. What is so no, bro. Like, did you work with the Apple like a contract based, bro? You are you are something great, man. I'm getting so much inspiration from you, bro. Seriously. So you have completed master okay in your state. Hmm, airline analysis. So yeah, you told like you did ML and AI project back in 6 year, right? So yeah, there is like January 2019. Okay, that time I like did a new car. Like I have like done the yeah like yeah I didn't knew like what is the programming. Okay, like see just like I have been like taught like HTML CSS back then also in the school, but I was not aware like what is really a programming. Okay, and back then you are doing okay. That's great, bro. mm, ML and AI you can find in my old GitHub. Okay, now just knows big bro. I want to make a Python code that will boost bro, but thanks for like saying this like for but bro, okay, like boosting, but like a real people, like a real connection. Okay, so if I got like a many uh people right now also, then I will not able to communicate like how I'm doing it right now, right? So still I need to explore, learn, and yeah, like those days are also coming soon, but I need to prepare myself also for the big things, right? So that's the thing I go through, and yeah, bro, thanks, but yeah, uh, bro, and just not real. After coming to US, started with a new tech. Okay, using proxy IPS, bro. Like okay, like the real peoples and the just like the number is kind of a different. Okay, okay. So I have one channel. Okay, like the Nepali songs. Like I have already told you guys also. And on that channel like I got one video 1 million views also on one song like a combined kind of way, and like 3 4 lakh like views, but I'm not able to like you say like connect with those channel viewers, right? Or like those channels like our family. So I'm not able to just kind of liking it. Okay, so Amit, how many white collar you got? Or botnet. Oh, what's botnet, bro? Let me quick search it. Okay. Botnet refers to group of computer which has been infected by malware and have under control of malicious actor. Hmm. Brad says when he gets to US he will make at least 3 Americans. Yeah. Why bro? Like only three, bro? Why only three, bro? I was expecting a very big number, bro, but just in doing a dark side, going dark side, Boston is very illegal city. Yeah, bro, how is the current hiring scenario? So you are talking about the India or the Nepal. So I'm not fully known over the India how it's going right now, but I have like watched some of the videos there also. Like there is not many companies like the Tata are coming to the campus, but I'm seriously I have like not so much knowledge on that. But in Nepal, yeah, bro, like the situation is also kind of same, but that really is like if you have like some skills and done some project and just go and network with people and like say like I know this, I have made this project and like like that kind of way like works, bro. Like still I'm not kind of that much on this topic to say, but have had few friends dude my master today talked with one Russian friend. Okay, I'm not going to say anything. Good night, guys. Okay, so bro, good night. He will be having seven. Mm, that number is kind of okay. I can consider that, but yeah, on Ooh, I can use botnet to sort down Twitter people and others just like seven. In India, job market is down and free headlines is poor. A client was asking to develop IMS with exam features in web iOS and Android in 1 lakh only. Okay, yes, bro. Like, so this this thing is kind of have like many views of the people's right. Like, how is the job market or what to do on this thing like on this time. But what I feel is like the main thing is like if the job market is down or up, like just have a daily learning. Okay, just don't stay like on home and just worry about the job market is going down, AI is coming, so I will not have the job in the IT, and just not learning new things or doing the actual project, but just do that like daily learning, building projects. Like there will be some new like job position or new things on the market, right? So if one like a market goes down, then the another market comes up. That's the simple kind of logic I have. Okay, so there should be some like if like all software developers just lose their jobs, then there should be a new market also, right? Like there is more context to it just for this simple logic. So like just learn new things and like do like a just don't do like a project for to get job. Okay, do the project that you really care about. Okay, so like I have a stammering problem, right? So while I speak I stammer a lot from my childhood. Like I can remember like each and every day I used to cry of my stammering because I was like so much bullied on my school days. And like right now like I'm not getting time, but I'm like learning to build a like a big platform for the stammering also. Like I have like back on my mind. Okay, and for that I'm learning and getting the skills also. Like so I want to build that project, right? So that is really kind of a link to me. So try to have those kind of a link project and just build that, and it will just benefit some people. Then yeah, you are going to get the money also and the feel of yeah I have like did this thing. So yeah, that's the thing, bro. Because I'm learning like quantum computing like daily kind of way, right? So okay, the quantum computing are still in the early stage. Like they are like being used in the big companies like the IBM, Google, but not on that scale also. But I'm just giving each day of my life to write to learn quantum computing, and the many expert on the quantum computing field also says like it will just take more like a 5 6 year to have the quantum computing on the open market. Okay, and I'm setting that much like a 5 6 year of time frame on my mind and learning, and up to that time I'm like being able, like I'm saying, okay, on the 5 6 year I will be make sure when the market comes of the quantum computing I will be expert on that, and I can really ride the wave of the quantum computing, right? So like try to have patience also, like kind of that. Where 15k plus 15k are taken by you have, oh yeah, like bro, you forgot to give me my daily grocery notification. Yeah, like that thing also, like I have like a bias kind of answer, but yeah bro, thanks. Okay, so me true in India everything is going wrong. Mm. Sorry, bro. Like I am not so much aware. Okay, still like I watch videos of like Dhruv Radi. Okay, so uh, I don't know like what's your view, but sometime like I watch the videos of Dhruv Rathi. Yeah, yeah, there is one YouTuber and I really like his content. Okay, so what he talks about the geopolitics or the other things, or like the, like yeah, like basically geopolitics kind of talk I really like. Okay, and uh so substitution theory, yes bro. Yes, you are right. So yes guys, okay, so I was expecting to in this live around 45 2 minutes, but yeah, it has already been 52. So I will just get ready and I will wash my face to have one study session of I guess 2 3 hours for to complete my assignment, and I need to do that. So yeah, and for you guys also, like have a very great productive learning session, and just keep going, bro. Like, so there are like many thought like I have in my mind to say, but yeah, like that's something I can't really express also, but yeah, just keep going and just learn, bro, and take care, and everything is going to be fine. So there is one right, like on the 3 years, like all is well, all is well. So yeah, take care guys, good night, see you tomorrow and stay safe. Take care, bye bye. I'm going to in this live. Okay, so bye. Yeah. All is well. uh what books are you reading now? So basically I'm reading this book, physics, mainly right now, but after one some weeks I'm going to read other book also, but I'm having kind of my exams also. So yeah, good night, take care, stay safe, bye.